In today's video, I'm going to build my best friend a new gaming PC. But before I start, I'm gonna tell you a little story. So his current gaming PC is not really good, I gotta say. I know him for over 5 years and he always had junky ass PC which barely run any game. I received my paycheck from YouTube monetization from my main channel and yeah, I know it's not a lot, it was only 200 bucks. But yeah, this is all I got. This PC has i5 8500, RX 580, 8GB, 60GB of RAM, and as I remember, 1TB of HDD and 200GB of SSD. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. But as you see, this case is not that good. It's just basic Zalman case. I don't know even that brand. This is first time I ever hit. So I bought an extra case. This is aquarium case. As you know, gamers love aquarium cases. So yeah, I bought it. I'm gonna open it up and show it to you. Alright, first things first, let's open this case and see what's inside. I mean, I know what's inside, but yeah, still. I know that I'm not rich and anything like that because I barely make any money. But yeah, I just want to make my friend happy. Because when we are playing the games like Fortnite or CS, he can't even join because, yeah, he can't. Get this thing up. Okay, we can save this box for later. Also, this is my first time building a PC, but I watched YouTube videos, so I think I will handle it. This is our case, which we are going to work with. It has a LED control button, which I'm going to use for controlling like RGB fonts. Yeah, I think this looks good. It's not that bad. All right, now let's open other case, which has all the parts we need, and yeah, move everything here. Put these down. Make sure don't break anything. I hope I'm filming good because I don't have cameraman and I'm filming like by myself. Let me get my tool. Like this is a screwdriver, just basic screwdriver. I think I have to watch some tutorials. Okay, I have tutorial running here. I think I'm not ready to do this. Before you begin, alright, let's see what we should do before beginning.
That means you've already done your homework and double check that it will fit your motherboard, has enough storage slots for your hard drive, has room for your graphics card.
Oh yeah, let's first remove the graphics card because that's the easiest part, right? Shout out to Thermal Take Australia because I'm watching their video. Thanks. Oh, what the hell? Why can't I remove this? Oh shoot, I think I broke it. Now we have to save these screws. We don't have to like lose them. We don't have to lose them. And the shop told me to not deassemble this PC and move all the parts in other case because the guarantee will not work. But yeah, who cares? I hope I'm not breaking anything. Is there any like closing thing which... Okay, there is nothing. This is a graphics card. It's pretty old. It's 580. But yeah, I think this will work just fine for him. Okay, so we have to remove the HDD. Oh, what the heck? This thing is it screwed? Is it screwed or is it like glued? This doesn't come off. Oh, bro, what the fuck? Is it glued or what? Oh yeah, that's glued. What the heck? This is our HDD. Woo! We took off the motherboard. Okay, I hope I'm not going to destroy it. Alright, that's good. Yeah, this was a long thing. Okay, I'm gonna save this case for something. I don't know. Should I build a new PC in this case, guys? Is this a power supply place or should I put it on top? Oh, I think this is. So I think we should put it like that. Yeah, that's the correct way. This is the correct way, guys. All right. Okay, let's take it carefully. I don't want to break anything. Let me see where all the screws are going. This is going easy. This is going. I hope PC will turn on. I hope so. I didn't break something. Alright guys, I was trying to figure out where should this like power cable and restart cable should go, and I completely messed up because I didn't take picture really well and I was on YouTube for past 30 minutes trying to figure out where should I put it. I think that I put it right and I hope so because I don't want to blow anything up. So yeah, now only thing left is to install these fans and put GPU and that's all. Basically all is done. I played one round of CS2 and one round of Fortnite, and I will tell you what FPS I got. I see some lags, but that's normal in Fortnite because I have that in my PC as well. Let me kill this guy. Nice. Okay, I see some lags. I think that's because I have my FPS on unlimited. Let me lock it on 144. And let's see like that. Yeah, I think that's better. Alright guys, I did every testing which was possible. I tested in a Fortnite which gave me stable 144 FPS. In CS we had average of 120 FPS, and in Minecraft he got lots of FPS. It doesn't matter. Case is ready, now in the box. I'm just waiting. Now I'm gonna go at his house and surprise him. And the moment of truth, now I'm going to show you what reaction he had. I'm gonna translate everything because it's in Georgian. Sorry for that.
When I cut down the boot, girl, I can't wait till I get home. Fuck the shit out of you. Even though your worst days, girl, you still kinda cute. If it go down, I'm gon' protect you. Pull that stick out and shoot. All I want is your love. Can't see no bitch after you. Off emotions, we did things that we didn't have to do. Better you leave, not so lies.
Go, 이제 더 시간. Ah, ito gata siya lang ka kami. Ah, no, isa lang kuya. Tengo na lang sa.
Mention him to a designer fee. He was playing games, got you dancing in the middle of the club, got you dancing in the middle of the club.
What the fuck you playing, bro? What the fuck you playing? Bro got a new PC and he's playing Roblox. What the fuck?
Of course.
You can only get this feeling from a thug. Tears falling in the
I'm not subscribing you on your channel.
So you're telling me that I did that for no reason? Alright, let me turn all this shit.
No.
I'm taking it out.
That's all, guys, for today's video. We surprised my best friend and he was so happy. So yeah, it is.
fucking with a scrub, girl, I know you can't be fucking with a scrub.